Okay guys, here I go. I'm going to make some crazy barbecue sauce. This is a little bit of leftover Kraft barbecue sauce I had on the bottle. Since we're cooking chicken today, I've been thinking about some ideas, so we're going to make hot honey mustard sauce out of that, okay? This is some mayo buffalo style. Put a little squirt of that. This is some tangy barbecue mustard, which has a lot of seasonings in it. And actually, I use that as a binder rub on a lot of my barbecue deals I do. So we're going to put some of that in there. About the same amount as that hot stuff. Now I picked up this Heinz infused honey with black truffle, which is kind of an interesting flavor. We're going to give it a few squirts of that to sweeten it up. Okay, that's about almost a quarter of the bottle. So let's mix this up. Oh, I'm a brave man. Let's see what it tastes like. But if you think about it, hot honey mustard, huh? Let's see. Not bad. It's a little mustardy, but I think it's going to be good. It's sweet, mustardy. You could probably take a little more of this heat in there. Not very hot at all. Now let's see. That's better. That's a winner. Okay, guys. Don't be afraid to have some ideas and make your own flavors.